welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're all having a great day. Don't forget, we do have our Luxury Divas giveaway going on, so do check that out. A link will be down below. Also, thank you for being here. I know I said that, but I just want to say thank you again. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. But as you can see from the description below, today we have a second Variety Fun Snack Box unboxing. I did this just a few weeks ago and it was so much fun. It was a great box. So doing another one. If you are looking for a fantastic snack box, this is it. Hands down. This is it. The Variety Fun box is $24.99 a month and you receive 40 snacks. 40 snacks. And I can tell you, when you have about to be 9-year-old son and a husband, they don't last long at all. I know I said in my previous video for this that, summer break is coming up, so this is something I definitely think is fantastic to have, so I still think that is true. But yes, again, you do receive 40 snacks for $24.99, which I think, again, is just a phenomenal deal. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up, and a code FUN25, and you can get 25% off your first box. That's awesome. So we are going to get into this box and see if the variety really is there, and if this box is different than the one I just opened a couple weeks ago. So let's get our box cutter and open this bad boy up. I'm not kidding when I tell you that as soon as I finished filming the video just a few weeks ago, Christopher and my husband were diving into it. So I already see differences, so that is fantastic. So, okay. Also about this box, they have over 500 brands of snacks. So I know the first one was literally sweet snacks, salty snacks, just a great variety of snacks. So I can already see, again, just from the top layer, how they get all of this in this box. I have no idea, because I tried putting it back in after I unboxed the first one and I couldn't get it back in. So how they do it, I don't know, but they find a way. But this is what we see when we open this one. So like I said, I can already tell that this first layer is completely different. So that is fantastic. So you're not going to be getting the same snacks all the time. Yay! So let's just get into it. So the first one is from Pop Chips. This is the Ridges Bold and Crunchy Tangy Barbecue. Right here. And then from Popcorners, Christopher loves these. This is the Kettle Corn, the sweet and salty, the crunchy and wholesome popped corn snack. He loves those, so I'm glad they're in there. This is his favorite, so this is a win. Regular old nacho cheese Doritos. We got some Fritos. Okay, my husband will love these. The Chester's Flamin' Hot Fries. We got some Ruffles, cheddar and sour cream. Also, just so you know, they do have a healthy version of the snack box. This is obviously not bad. But they do have that, so keep that in mind too, that they do have a healthy option. But with like I said, about to be 9-year-old and a husband, we go with regular snacks. We got some crunchy Cheetos. Now this was in the first box I did. This is actually the only thing I got out of that box. There's still some stuff left, but this is the only thing I got, and it's so good. This is from the Pure Sweetness Baking Company, and it's Vanilla Wafers Mini Cookies. These are the best vanilla wafers I have ever had. There's something different about these, and they're amazing. I had never tried those before, and I was like, what? So, then we have from Cheez-It, Scrabble Junior. This is also from the Pure Sweetness Baking Company. This is some mini chocolate chip cookies. We have some Keebler bite-sized cookies with M&Ms. Ooh, I love these. These are also from Keebler. These are the Elfin Crackers. These have like just enough sweetness, and they almost have like a little bit of a lemony hint to them. There's just something about them. I really love them. If you want something sweet, but not too sweet. Ooh, Christopher's going to be excited about this. Also from Keebler, Fudge Stripe Minis. It's one of his favorite cookies. This is from Mysupercookies. These are organic Honey Heroes whole grain cookies. We've actually had these before, and Christopher loves them. They are so good. There went my pile of snacks. And then we have some original Cheez-Its, which is one of my husband's favorite. We have some white cheddar Cheez-Its. I like those. Ooh, also from the Mysupercookies, the Chocolate Heroes. Again, Christopher really does like these. Oh, we got some Chex Mix. We got some Andy Capp's Hot Fries. My husband loves these. So these and like the, I think it was the Cheeto ones. He will take those. Oh, I love these. This is the Pirate's Booty Aged White Cheddar Baked Rice and Corn Puffs. I love these. These are so good. So, so good. We got some animal crackers. We got a Quaker, I actually got two Quaker chewy chocolate chip granola bars. Yeah, they're both chocolate chip. And like double check. We got 6 Oreo cookies. Some of these are repeats, but some are not. Some are different. We got the Grandma's chocolate chip. It's a 2-pack. These are so good. We got the Grandma's 2-pack, the peanut butter. And the Grandma's 2-pack, the oatmeal raisin. And we got some real spicy cheddar toast cheese sandwich crackers. The Nico sandwich cracker or cookie sandwiches, the lemon cream. These are good. I love them. We got 2 packs. Show you. 2 packs of Mott's fruit snacks. We got 3 Rice Krispie treats. We all love those. I'm glad there's 3. We got 3 of the Planters salted peanuts. My husband will be very happy about these. And then we got some Airheads. Christopher will be excited for the, oh, I don't know, Mama might take this one. Watermelon. Orange. And the white mystery. think I may have the watermelon. I'll let Christopher have the others. He loves the mystery ones. But that was what we got in the box this time. Fantastic. Again, I hate to keep saying variety because Variety Fun is the name of the box, but it is such a great variety of snacks. I mean, you have some that are healthy, and then you just have such a great mix of like sweet and salty, and it's just a great way to have a variety of snacks in your house. And again, $24.99, you cannot beat that. And then, like I said, I'll put that link below and that code FUN25 to get you 25% off your first box. Definitely give it a try. I promise you're gonna love it. And if you have kids or just a husband, or if you just like snacking, this box is awesome and you need it in your life, I promise. So let me know down below what you guys thought. I will catch you guys with the next video. Have a great day. Bye.